Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you the stack and shuffle technique with this beautiful new paper, Daffodil Afternoon. You can earn this paper free during Celebration. This is a level 1 reward, so you can choose to receive it free with your $60 purchase. Only until February 28th or while supplies last. I learned this stack and shuffle technique from Mary Knabe, and it is so quick and easy to make a stack of cards this way. Start with 4 card bases, all cut to 5.5 by 8.5 and scored in the center. These could be all the same color as I've got here, or they could be different colors as long as they all match the DSP. You'll also need 4 pieces of your designer series paper. They're all different pieces from the same pack, and these are all cut to 4 by 5.25 inches. And finally, you'll need some scrap white cardstock for stamping and cutting. Now for the shuffling. This is where the magic happens. Take your first pile and shuffle once. The second pile gets shuffled twice. The third pile is shuffled 3 times. And the final pile, don't shuffle this one at all. Now when I say shuffle, what I mean is take the top piece and put it on the bottom of the stack. Now you're ready to assemble the cards. Notice that now the top piece on each stack is different, 4 different pieces of paper. And when you take those 4 pieces off to assemble your first card, the next piece on each stack is different again. So it's easy to assemble your 4 cards, and they are all going to have different designs on them. To finish off your stack of cards, just add a punched sentiment and some embellishments to each one. I love using the Happy Birthday sentiment from the Peaceful Moments stamp set and the Everyday Label Punch. It goes really well with this layout. And there are my finished cards. Remember that you'll get a chance to win one of these cards when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you a card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to know more about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the events calendar, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!